Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can customize controls of speak screen. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then go to accessibilities. There you will find read and speak. Click on that and then click on the second option, speak screen, and there you will find at the end of this page, or like the controller actions over here, you can see large press, double press, or ideal opacity. Over here you can simply adjust this or customize these all the things over here. So you can simply click on these options and then it's gonna be comes over here. You can simply change it or like that, and you can change the opacity as well. You can see over here, you can adjust it as well. So that's it. That's how you can customize your speak screen controller action in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.